Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the account ready. Sign into the channel you control and verify identity if prompted. Next, enable two-step verification because many advanced features require stronger security. Once done, open YouTube Studio, go to Settings, then Channel, then Feature Eligibility to see what's available. This ensures you meet age, verification, and policy requirements before requesting features like live streaming or monetization. So make those checks now and fix any missing items. Now activate each advanced feature intentionally. Request live streaming or monetization from the Feature Eligibility panel and follow prompts. Link an AdSense account for payments, confirm you meet watch hour and subscriber thresholds, and clear any community guideline issues. Then configure channel-level settings like branding, upload defaults, and user permissions. Add managers or editors via permissions so workflows scale. Also check Content ID and copyright tools if you manage multiple assets. This prevents future takedowns and automates right. Finish by configuring advanced controls. Set up Content ID rules, custom thumbnails, and experiment with analytics-based retention settings. Test each feature with an unlisted upload or a private test stream to confirm settings and permissions work as expected. If a feature is blocked, review any policy notices, ensure your account remains verified and two-step enabled, and then contact YouTube support through Studio's help menu. That single troubleshooting step often reveals the missing verification or policy flag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.